Hi guys, so we are trying now to remove the rear bumper of a Golf. So we're gonna need just a few actually sockets. So we need like a 16 millimeter socket and actually Torx to get all the Torx under the bumper. Okay, so this is not gonna be so hard. So to remove the first stoplight, we need to remove the electric connection. Which we did. Gonna go to the other side as well. Bring some light here. And yep, we found it. Okay, remove this. Now with the socket, we should be able to remove the rest of the bolts. This is one nut. Let me get the helper here, and it's fine. A magnetic tray is always useful. Okay, so we removed one. We have another one up there. One down here, so it's 3 on each side. On this side is easier to see. I'm gonna be removing these 3 on this side, on the other side, and then we'll go under the bumper. Oops, yeah, I'm gonna get that with my magnet. Doesn't want to come out. So after we get all the nuts out from the stoplight, and if you're struggling to just get it out, this is a cool trick basically to make it easier, because this is held down only by 3 nuts that I showed you earlier. So yeah, these nuts that's funny. Okay, so basically what you need is to put some duct tape on this side, and I'm gonna put it right now. It's gonna be hard for me to film and put it, so I'm gonna put some duct tape here, and this will help me just to break loose the tail light from this part. Yeah, it's gonna be easy. Just gonna put some duct tape here and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put a couple, but don't be shy, you can put more depending on how hard it's held down back there. You don't actually need to remove this, just be careful. Some plastic covers can break, so I prefer just to leave it there. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull. Oh yeah, it didn't need too much pulling actually. It was just stuck a bit, and yeah, basically that's it. And we have uncovered another couple of torque screws, so we're gonna do the same on the other side, and then we're gonna go under and see what's going on there, and we're gonna remove everything down. And the rest of the bumper is basically held on the other side by a couple of torque screws as well. We're gonna do those, but now we're gonna do the other one. And yeah, that's it with the rear rear lights. We're gonna put them here for now. This other side I thought it was gonna be easier, but yeah, it isn't. So I tried this type of duct tape just to see. Yeah, this one is holding to dear life. Okay, if this doesn't, I'm gonna bring some other help. So you'll definitely need one of these as well to make it even easier. Just gonna do this. Do not use screwdrivers because you're gonna chip the paint and you're gonna probably break this plastic tail light. Okay, let's try it now. Almost. Okay, almost. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. Okay, this is the second one. Just gonna put it here, and yeah, we're just gonna remove these now. Two, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, now under. Let's check what's going on down here. Okay, so one there, one there. Let's try this one here. Okay, smaller torques. I have to get that. That one is a bit rusty. Okay, and the last one. Okay. What I'm trying to achieve basically, I want to get rid of this. It was just for a tow hook, but I don't use it. It was the previous owners, so I just want to take this down, but I need the bumper off for that. Okay, I'm trying to get the smaller torques for these and check the rest. Okay, so these apparently are some T25. One. Okay, it's a bit rusty. Second one there. Yep. Let's see. Ooh. We got the second one here. Have to go on the other side as well. Okay. This is interesting. On this side we have something different. I wasn't expecting these. I have to remove these. Okay. I'll probably have to remove these and put some new ones. Okay, I'll get to work. See what I can do. Okay, so I'll try to leave those there, and I'm trying to take everything else out. So there's another one there, one in the middle somewhere, but I don't know if you can see it. One there, and another one there. So 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. I'm trying to lower the bumper and leave these on and see if I can work without taking these off. Okay, good. So after we've removed all 3 bolts on this side as well, all we need to do now to remove the bumper is just come on this side and just try to pull a bit, and here, eureka, and basically that's it. And I found out that, yeah, those rivets on this side were not holding anything, just the fire protection for the exhaust, so I can remove the bumper easily now. It's a bit harder with one hand, but yep, I forgot about this, so I have to get this somehow off the bumper. It's gonna be tricky, but yeah, I'm gonna try this because I have to remove the bumper downwards. But if you don't have that hook, it's gonna be just, yeah, easy peasy. Just gonna be removing the bumper now.